In this video, I'll show you how to make your Instagram account private on PC or computer. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you're on your PC or your laptop or your computer and you love to make your Instagram account private and you want to know how you can do that, right? What you're going to do now, click on this more, right? Once I've clicked on the more, you're going to click on the settings. Once I've clicked on the settings, you're going to scroll down gradually. You're going to see who can see your content, right? Click on this account privacy, right? If you're on your PC, basically, once I've clicked on it, you're going to wait for it to load. Once it has opened up, you're going to see these two options right here. This is account privacy, right? What you're going to click now, you're going to click on this. Once I click on it, I'm going to turn this on to private, right? Because this is basically an educational video. I don't think I'm gonna do that, right? So this is what I'm just doing to show you guys all you need to do if you want to make your Instagram account private on your PC, on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.